Good morning, sir. I'm going to discuss about gas welding. What is gas welding? Gas welding is a welding process that melts and joins metals by heating them with a flame caused by a reaction of fuel gas and oxygen. The most common used method is oxyacetylene due to its high temperature. In this video, I will cover the following of gas welding. Gas welding, there are two cylinders. One is fuel gas and it's a maroon color. And the second one is oxygen gas and it's a black color. Oxygen and acetylene are stored under pressure in a steel. Cylinders, they are sized by amount of oxygen or acetylene that they hold. Cylinders should always be secured and used in the upright position. When cylinders is not being used, the valve cap should always be in place. Oxygen cylinders are composed of oxygen and high pressure that can be as high as 2,200 psi. All cylinders have valves and are fitted in a screw-on steel. The cap protects the cylinder's valve. When the cylinders is not in use, acetylene cylinders. These cylinders contain of acetylene under pressure made of steel. Cylinders contain pure pillars materials, which is fitted acetone that allows the acetylene to be safe contained that exceeds 15 psi. And this becomes highly unstable, which depending upon pressure regulators. For welding, an oxygen and acetylene is required the low pressure, but in cylinders, they are filled at high pressure. Regulator is required to control the pressure of oxygen and acetylene before reaching and mixing chambers. Torch consists of handle, oxygen, and fuel gas. Mixing chambers. Inside the handle, there are tubes through which oxygen and flow of gas flow. Mixing chambers. Mixing chambers of oxygen fuel gas is mixed in this chamber. The ratio of oxygen fuel gas is mixed according to the type of flame, such as neutral oxidizing and carbonizing flame. Chambers, gas hoses. Control valves. There are two control valves available in torch. One is for oxygen and the second one is for fuel gas. These control valves used to control the flow of oxygen or fuel gas and mixing chamber. Gas hoses. Gas hoses is used to transfer oxygen and fuel gas from the cylinder. Nozzle. Nozzle is a mixture of oxygen and acetylene becomes out of this nozzle. The mixture of gases comes out in a pressure from the nozzle and this ignited to the streaker. Working gas welding equipment. Gas welding is fitted properly and carefully after a regulated pressure of gas oxygen. Oxygen is operated more on it. If the carbonizing frame is poured, then the valve of the fuel gas is open more. Other welding condition. After that, the flame of the welding torch is moved along the line between two metal plates along with the metal plates in a pillar rod. It's also used, which is used to create a full molten material that will fill the gap between the two metals plates. The interface of the pillar rod is moved along with the flame. The pillar rod keeps an angle of 30 degrees to 40 degrees according to the rod. Pillar rod. Along the line, two plates interface. The two metal plates join together because of the melting and solidification of metal plates interface the filling rod. And that's all.